In this quick Photoshop tutorial, we're going to take a very quick look at how to rasterize images or any elements or layers in Photoshop. So I've got this image here and I've got the brush tool open and I've got a little, no, you can't do this cursor. That's because this is a smart object. I cannot directly edit it. If it was also a shape, we could draw a square out here. This rectangle, if I wanted to draw on top of that, same thing. Can't draw on it. Now, if I click on that, I will get a little warning dialog box, says it must be rasterized before proceeding. Sure, you could hit OK here to rasterize, but any specific layer you want to rasterize, all you need to do, right click on that layer and go to raster layer, just like that. So if I were to raster this rectangle layer, I can now paint over the top of this layer. What it does do though, is it takes your saved state, so like the original size of this image or the vector quality of this rectangle, and it gets rid of that and just creates pixels at this size. So this image might be larger where I can scale it up and down without losing any quality. But if I rasterize it, now these are just pixels in my image. If I scale up, the quality will only stretch and skew. If I scale it down, same thing, that's now just pixels. And if I were to scale that back up, those pixels get very blurry and now it's being skewed because it's been rasterized. It doesn't remember the original state. So that's something to look out for. Make sure your objects are the size that you want them before you rasterize them or rasterize any layers. And remember that you're going to lose out on that vectorized state of things like shapes. But if you do need to raster things so that you can edit them more directly with different effects, different, erasing parts of them, anything like that, you can rasterize just by right clicking and go to rasterize layer. You can also rasterize layer styles. So if we had something on here like a color overlay, I could right click on this layer again and rasterize the layer style, which basically applies it to the layer itself. That's how to rasterize things here in Photoshop.